I am actually doing nothing useful.
Over here, Mimi.
There's
a chest. Come over here. Come over here.
Oh, yeah.
I found a cave.
I'm gonna stay here with the... Oh,
what did you say, my?
huh? I'm scared of caves. Oh.
Come inside here. We'll be okay. I hope so.
I don't understand this. Oh my god.
Ew. There's lots of dead bodies here.
I'm happier than dolls and stuff rather than actual monsters. Okay, I can't take that. I'm literally supporting it. I've got a watch. Wait, how many watches do we need in this game?
My, take off the walkie-talkie. It's causing echo.
Okay, if it's dark over there, I don't want to go there.
Is it really dark? Oh yeah, it is.
Hold on. I think I'm using the wrong one because you guys are going and I am not. This one.
We have a torch. Oh, we don't have a torch.
What is? I don't have a torch thing. What did I do? Wait a minute. Yo, I don't know how many torches. Okay, that's it. Unfortunately, I have no torch.
I'm trying to make one.
You are my guiding light right now.
Oh crap.
Should I like build a what's it called? One of those torches? Like no, the torch like
Here. I have a torch now. Oh well. Oh. It's kind of just
yeah. What of this?
Okay. You wanna go deeper now?
Oh, I can only hold that torch.
If you see anything move, just be prepared to run. Okay?
Whoa!
Oh god. I heard someone like breathing.
Sorry. I realized this entire time I had this game. Complete the sound
Somebody hit me!
I accidentally hit you. I'm so sorry. Like me. I'm just trying to turn on the sound on because I realized yeah, there's just no sound coming from my stream. Oh, stop doing that. Stop randomly hitting these. Okay, we're good.
Okay, good. Okay. Goodness. Oh, there's a lot of skulls here. There's a stupid amount of skulls here.
Oh, do we pick them up? Don't do it.
Oh my god, yeah, pick them up. But why is there so many skulls? Hold on. Let's use the flare.
Oh my gosh, is there a dog in here?
I'm throwing the flare. Okay.
Azur!
Slowly. Slow. Okay, I see something. My. Hold on, my. I see something.
Box over here. By the way, let's see it over here.
Oh, the box? Okay. Thank you. Hold on, do you see that thing moving? Do you see that? Oh my god! Get ready! They're attacking!
What am I supposed to do?
Oh my god!
Hold on.
Get her up!
Oh my... Oh, hell no.
There's something!
Why was I supposed
Ah!
Like the only phone? Hold on. I probably need a lotus picture to look at this.
Oh god! My light's down!
No, I'm just running around. No!
Ah!
Oh my
You're getting surrounded! You got surrounded! Okay, get up!
How do I like... Hold on.
Get up!
Oh!
Get them! Bump them!
Oh my gosh!
Wow.
I died.
We can burn the bodies.
No! Wait! Hold on.
No!
Did I? Hold on. Let's see. Can you actually hit each other?
Yeah.
Oh! I see.
You hit my. Mama's gone now. I don't know where she is. Let's go back up. Hold on. To my.
Mama, I'm so sorry. I tried to like hit. Oh, and then.
Oh god.
No,
I don't know where Mama is.
How do we?
We should go retreat. Because I don't know where she is. Okay, run.
On to the left. Oh, no. What? Lexi, how do we get to Mama? She's like
Oh,
behind.
she's still inside. Are you still inside? Oh. Okay. You just got out. Okay. How about we build a house? Let's build a house.
Okay. What do we need to build a house there?
We need wood. But we also need water. Where do you want to build the house?
Probably not in the front okay.
Okay.
Like maybe like
This place has water.
Yeah. Like somewhere around here. Like even a cluster. How do you tell if an area is good to build?
I don't know. You just pick a place.
Okay. So the sun is shining on the other side, which is the north. Oh, wait. Hold on. The sun rises from the west to east or east to west?
It goes from the west to east.
Oh yeah, so
Okay, so
we should build it like according to the function.
oh, feng shui.
Yeah. We could build it from like having the sun up, so like facing this way. Probably facing towards. Yeah. We could just
Okay, come
made it to the
quickly.
Oh. Okay.
I feel like the cave is good because like you can just run in there if you want to be safe.
I have no. I'm gonna try to
Oh.
see how to build golden axe.
Here, let's do it here. Oh, I just remembered. If our house is like on the ground, it's not good. Like we should try to have a house that's on the trees.
Okay. I don't mind. That's what I was saying before. I was like, how do you know which type to build?
I like open areas, so like you can see where, you know, if people are coming towards you. I usually like open areas. Cause like, if this was like nighttime, you don't know where anything is, right? If you know what I mean? If this was nighttime, like, this would be so dark, this place. Mimi? Are you there, Mimi?
Oh yeah. Sorry. I just muted on this call. I'm so sorry. I'm here. I was actually talking to you. Muted. I was just trying to say how yeah, I don't mind. I was just saying that like during in this game, like for torches, you can light them up again.
Yeah, you just open up your... oh wait, you get your lighter.
Oh, there's a lady! Oh, there's a chick! Well, why
What's
is
she
look so
doing
weird?
here? Oh, she's still afraid. She's still afraid of us.
Oh, why?
She's running.
Why
She just ran away.
Oh, but we're friendly though! Okay. I'm gonna go run around. If you wanna, I'll try to
Hold
find
on.
out.
Mimi, don't be alarmed,
Yeah.
but it's like almost 5 o'clock. It's gonna get dark real fucking soon.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm trying to say, where should we just like build a temporary house right now, or like just like a tent, and then
Yeah, we probably should. This is gonna be scary.
okay. Let's do a temporary tent so that we can just like spend the night and then move like an actual house tomorrow. Cause like if it's getting dark, yeah. I just don't know how to build it in this game because I haven't like how do I like?
So you put the tarp down. Like, do you have a tarp in the inventory?
Inventory. Open emergency remove the place structure on the placing key. Open emergency hack on eye. This isn't helping. Yo, where's there? I swear in this game there should be like a building option.
So you have a tarp?
Athena, you should stop building and I'll try to like... And then
Whoa.
potato building because I don't know how to build their structure. Because like in the game they should like a structure, like a blueprint.
Hold
I
on.
don't know where the blueprint is for this game though.
Mimi, when you bring out the walkie-talkie, you talk in the game as well.
Gotcha.
Okay. Okay. I'll build our tent over here. Oh wait, we need a flat piece of area. Okay, over here.
Okay. Can I just like I don't know. I don't have enough. Can I just like grab this tree?
No! No, leave the tree alone. No, leave the tree. And take off the walkie-talkie. You're echoing.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna jump on top of your head. It's punishment.
Oh no!
Alright, come over here. It's getting dark. Come over here and save your game.
Okay. I wanna get rid of this walkie-talkie hat.
Try press M. What's my doing? Oh, what are you doing, my? You need little stones.
Okay. Right now, I'm getting rid of the walkie-talkie. I'm pressing everything. I did it. So T? Okay,
Was it T?
Okay, yeah. I don't know how to find the axe server.
Here, I'll cook some meat.
Oh! How does it get a lot bigger? Oh, I didn't know it's like... Wow, okay.
Yo, it's getting really dark soon. We gotta go to sleep.
Okay.
Or we can try it. But yeah.
Like when we wake up, I do want to say is that I need to ask you how to build, like, cause oh my gosh, right? I don't know how to build anything. I try to press D, it doesn't come up as building.
It comes up with a book, right?
Yeah, that's what I meant. When I press B, there's no book that comes up though.
Oh really?
Yeah. I really wanted to help you build, but I couldn't, cause like in.
Wait, sleep first. Wait, hold on. Sleep first. Do it twice, okay? Double sleep.
Wait. No worries. I press that.
My, you have to do it too.
I'm pressing so
Oh my god, press it. Someone's not pressing it.
Oh, I am. I'm being pressed non-stop.
Okay, good. Again. Oh no, we're good. Okay.
Oh, yes.
That was close. That was very close.
Is it really bad when it gets dark?
Oh goodness. You'll see. Okay.
Oh, I don't want to see. I'm just going to have a little small tender. But like, that's all I remember looking like have a temporary one. But because I can't get up the notebook, so I can't help building right now. So I don't know. Like, am I missing like a book or something? Oh! Hold on. I think I actually need to open the emergency pack. Right?
Do you have a guidebook?
I think that's the emergency pack.
Yeah, open that up.
How do I,
Oh my gosh, Mimi's Giga Chad. How did you build a spear without that? Without an axe? How did you do that?
I was trying to pretend the game was the old forest. I just YOLO'd it.
Okay.
Oh, there's a lady! Oh, can I give her some meat? Oh, I don't actually have any food though. Oh my, how's it I'm getting food? I don't know. I'm not just at work. You are hungry. I'm always hungry. Oh, hold on. This one.
Thank you, Harry, too.
Oh my gosh, Lexi, I am so sorry. I felt like. Okay. I haven't worked, so I'll probably won't eat soon. Oh, I know there's like blueberries and stuff on the side though. Yo, I don't want to pass out without food. Hold on. I remember there was like blueberry right next to that house.
And there's some meat on the grill. Whose meat is that?
I feel bad though, I didn't kill anything.
Yummy.
I'm like pretty lordy.
There's some meat on the grill.
Thank you. Thank you for the remade. Oh, it's tasty.
Yum. Mimi, look at that girl. She's here. The girl.
Yeah. I want to actually try to offer her some food or something. And then like, food means friend, right? Like if you offer people food.
Yeah.
But cause like I'm holding like an axe or a knife, so I feel like she's gonna always run away from me. Oh, this is spiders! Oh my gosh, guys, do you see the spiders?
No.
I'm really sure. Oh, you can't!
Oh, I see it.
Oh, you're just what I'm trying to do!
It's gone. Spider's gone.
Okay.
So you wanna build a base over here? Or keep moving a bit? Explore a bit.
Oh, which way?
We can explore.
Okay. Hold on, I'll finish chopping this up. Look at the tree though. It's so weird. Because honestly, normally when you chop a tree, I don't know, it looks way too hollow.
We can help you.
Oh, thank you. Looking how we working. Yo guys, I chopped down a tree, okay? And I helped kill one of the monsters that we're not gonna talk about mine because I'm so sorry about it. I did not kill one of our friends, I didn't know. Okay. If we wanna explore.
Oh, there's a butterfly.
I wonder if I'm just like roaming free.
There's a butterfly on my axe.
Oh. Okay, I am Dora the Explorer, and I am exploring the wilderness right now.
Whoa! Mimi's going solo.
No, because it's daytime actually.
You're still okay, yeah. Daytime is safe.
I'm not going anywhere too far. I was just trying to find where you mentioned somewhere you wanted high ground, but like less trees around.
Yeah, there's 3 trees.
Okay, apparently I can't eat these ones. Evil bushes did not eat the red ones, guys. In the easier tummy ache. The red berries. I
The
tasted it.
tummy ache. I know.
Oh, someone always has to taste the bird. Oh, thank you for Hershey. Thank you for Hershey. Lexi, you're way too far. I'm getting stupid stuff out of this. I'm like pretty far away from a base there. Temporary base. Mushroom. Oh, I don't know about those ones. Those have colors on them. Well, why am I constantly eating everything? I'm like taste testing everything. Even though I just kind of just want to.
Mimi's ravenous and hungry.
I'm actually eating a poisonous mushroom, and then it has red. I'm just eating it like.
Hey, this place looks kind of good.
Okay. We're so far from our tent. I feel like there's like probably no point in getting so many wood from earlier.
Yeah, we can get wood anywhere. There's plenty.
How do we Oh, I wish I could like I'll put the blueberries in my bag, but
You see that camp? That little camp there?
Yeah.
There might be stuff over here.
100%. What's oh no! I accidentally knocked this camera down. And I can't pick it up though.
It's too bad we can't pick up like the sleeping bag or something.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, because I was like, look at the sleeping bags, it looks so comfy. Because like,
Yeah.
normally like sleeping bags look like really kind of gross and stuff, like with blood or whatnot, but the tents and every... Hold on. What if I break it? Okay, no, you can't. What? I thought if you break it, you can like salvage some of the parts or something, but okay, you can't. I feel like Lexi, if you don't actually end up finding a place that's like on this rock near the camp is kind of nice too.
Yeah, I'm just checking out this place. It's green for some reason.
As you can see on the side of my bar, I am hungry. I am half starving. Okay?
I see a car.
Starving.
There's a car over here.
Okay. I'm sorry you scared the accident and they actually killed a rabbit though. Okay, Lexi, what's
Oh, I found a cave. There's a cave.
Oh my gosh. Lexi, with the kids. Oh my gosh, I swear. Every time I go into the cave, I'm so scared and actually accidentally hitting one of us, sir.
We'll be okay. Oh, wait. I'm stuck.
Press L by using... Oh! I finally have a light.
You wanna lead, Mimi?
Oh, Lexi, no, okay, try.
Okay. I'm following you. Oh! What? This is like a fake cave. What? Oh! A room.
I don't understand what is that fake cave? I don't understand why is that fake cave in the
Oh look, that's the guy who shot us. Or hit us.
I think I with the aluminum foil jacket. The only thing is missing is the tin hat. Oh! Oh, Lexi, you can save here! Lexi, you can actually save here and sleep here.
Yeah. We can save.
That's so cool! I don't know.
I'm making a flask. What? Oh, who made that noise? Get ready.
Can we close the door?
No. Oh god.
What's happening?
My, where are you?
Mom.
There's someone in here, my.
I understand where the... Okay. Let's see this, I'm building a flask and I'll try to, like, watch the door.
I did it. I already built it.
If anything comes, I'll just start screaming.
I built it already.
Okay.
Why don't you build a sled? Okay. Mimi. Watch me. Cover me. Okay, I'm alright. It's safe, Mimi. It's safe.
Why is it safe?
There's money.
Oh, cause they're not in here. Right.
We heard like noises, but I don't know where it's coming from.
I think it's coming behind this concrete wall there.
Behind the concrete wall?
Wait, we went to get the money.
Oh.
Like, it's not here, it's like coming from on the side.
Yeah.
Don't go outside, Elmo. Trouble found me.
Don't go outside. My said don't go outside.
Okay, cause it's echoing from the tunnels. So I'm assuming it's like on the other side.
Okay. Come over here, Mimi. There's a sled.
Okay. Oh, we got a sled!
Yay.
Oh, that looks like cool.
Guys, make the flask so you can drink water. Hi Jake, welcome.
Oh, what is the book dude? The LeBlanc. How
The
long
what?
is this one? This one. Tima LeBlanc.
Oh, I don't know. Is it a real book?
Oh no. Okay, I got everything there. I'm thirsty. I wonder if I can just drink water. Open my mouth and hope it drips down. Oh, actually no! It's called light. Lights usually have like what's it called? That toxic thing, the powder stuff that that kills you. Okay, even though I'm thirsty right now, oh, actually, I forgot to hydrate in that. Hold on, I'm actually gonna hydrate.
Careful when you go outside. There might be
Wait,
enemies.
what is outside?
There might be enemies.
Okay. Do we wait for my life? Oh.
Yeah, I'm okay. It's safe.
Okay. Yes, we went to a cave. That was our second fake cave thing. Have you built a super cool base yet? No! We pretty much just started building a temporary tent. With this, I can gather. Oh! You don't have to boil water in this game anymore?
Well, no. Don't have to do that.
I thought you have to boil water. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. How much water am I drinking? Yo! I'm in stand here.
Boiling the water removes the seasoning.
I'm literally so thirsty. I don't know. How am I so thirsty? Like, do I never get full hydration when I'm drinking this water? Or is it just really slow and I'm just like not noticing it? Nah, I swear that is not moving. Oh, you guys can't see it. Okay. So like I'm right behind like the right now. There's like a blue. Hold on. I'll see if I can actually quickly show you guys. There's like a blue. That blue thing hasn't moved.
Come over here, Mimi.
Yeah.
And get your sled. Get your sled ready.
I'm constantly just like grabbing water. Apparently I'm just always thirsty.
Wait, is it not going up the first thing?
Yeah, it's not. It's just stagnant and just staying down next to the moon. If I come to the moon, it's just like it stays at that level.
Oh. Maybe because you have to eat something.
Oh, you know, I'm always hungry in this game. If I'm all hungry, I am. Oh, blueberries. Yes. I love blueberries.
I love blueberries too. It's my favorite fruit. Well,
Yeah.
like, love shits.
Blueberry strawberries are amazing. I'm gonna stop.
Hello, Luffy.
Okay. So have we decided where to build the
Get the
final?
sled.
Oh, the sled. Right.
Get the sled. You know what to do, right?
Oh, I was going to check. I was like, I thought you meant like we're going to be building. Sled. Wait, where did I even put the sled?
Just hold it, I guess.
There it is. Oh. Okay, I'm trying to use the sled, not actually drink the water.
Okay. Go.
How do I use the sled? Left click. How do I jump in?
Jump.
Hold on.
You have to jump. Maybe.
Oh!
Go. Oh, you almost had it. Oh, I don't know. Did it work?
No, I'm really got this fish.
There's fishies.
Oh my gosh. Time to eat. How do I get the fishy? I need to get a fish. Yo. I don't think that not unfolding any single fishes. If I stand up here and we like there's such a fish in this game. 1, 2. Oh my! I am hungry. I'm trying to fish. Spamming so much and I still can't get. Okay, calm. Oh my! I have a feeling that you can't actually fish like this.
It's like the fish is like not fishable.
Oh, okay. Here I am, hungry again.
It's like I don't know. Like you can see it, but you can't really see the fish swimming. Like they're jumping, but they're not swimming in the water.
Normally in games, like if it's jumping, fishes are moving, you can fish. Like
I found enemies.
okay, I'm coming towards you. Oh my gosh, you're so
Okay,
far.
I'm running away.
Oh, is there a lot of them?
I don't know. Maybe like 2 or 3.
Okay.
Oh, I'm at the beach.
That's so far. Actually, so far.
I like this area because it's like open, but we can choose a different place.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. There's a random enemy that's running across the beach too.
What?
Over there. That's just a monkey though. Oh, you can't fish in this game. I wish I could fish. Guys, honestly, in game. Oh, it's a monkey. It's a
This is a real monkey.
Yeah, it is. I thought it was an enemy. I thought I was. There's me. I'll try to help me. Oh my gosh. I can't. That's enough for the monkey. That is horrifying. I'm so horrified of it. I'm toxic.
I have some.
Oh, my skin is like a bit funny. My skin. Okay, so listen. Oh, that was so weird. Oh, whatever.
Thank you for follow, Phoenix.
Oh,
Mimi found dinner. My.
yeah.
Ew.
Have you? Yeah, did you look at the like that does not look like a monkey, but apparently that is.
There's food over here. Somehow I'm swimming with a lighter on.
How there's fun here. Oh! I think there is actually not a vibe. Wait, I saw that. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that guy. I thought he was just chilling there. Wait, I think we should some like food and stuff there.
Yeah.
Is there something here that we like killed him there? Oh, there's like one of those bonfires? Can we light this up like a bonfire?
I just got attacked while I was in the water. I don't know if there's a shark.
Oh, Leslie, where are you
Something's
going?
attacking me. There's something in the water. I think it's a shark.
What? There's shark in this game?
I don't know. I saw it. There's a shark. It was there before. Just be careful.
That's okay, that's okay. I wasn't actually gonna go for the shot. I'm in. Oh, we can't actually stab it or anything because like we're not on like. We need to be like on a raft or something there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this game and now have sharks. What the heck?
I have a gun now.
No, I'm kind of surprised there's nothing much at the beach, because I kind of assumed that there'd be more like things that we can pick up. By the way, there's a bunch of I don't know, mussels, oysters over here. If anyone wants to eat them,
Mussel. Oh, I want them.
how do I eat?
In these rock pool areas.
Oh yeah. Fresh oysters, guys. Fresh oysters.
Oh, yummy.
Oh my gosh, guys. I'm literally having the oh wait, is that enough? Hold on. When I take the oysters, you guys... Okay, you guys do get them. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, it's shareable.
Okay, that's good. I'm just making sure, because I found a bunch before. No. Succulenta oysters. So like them all. What do we rate these oysters?
I hate the noise he makes when he eats it, like the...
That's wrong, that's not an oyster. The worst time to see oyster sitting down here. Is he your cater?
He's taking a break.
Okay. Oh,
It's getting dark again.
Yeah.
What do we do? I have a gun. It's access now.
It's getting dark. What do we do? I have a gun. Okay. Well, we could do like a bonfire tent. Anywhere on that side? No. I don't know. This side, but I don't know in the monsters. Did I run to the beach and start attacking you?
They attack you everywhere.
Attack you everywhere. Oh. Yo. I mean,
Sometimes
we
they
can always
hunt you.
go next to the dude over there. And if they want to come attack us, we can throw the dude out.
I'm pretty sure they'll eat us over dude that's been out for meat. But...
I know.
Oh look, there's a bonfire. Did you build this?
Yeah. There's also before about the bonfire to my man, but I don't know how to light it up though. Because I was using a lighter and it wasn't lighting out because I was planning to use this bonfire, but I don't know how to. Oh, give it another shot then. Because
You can have 2 spears, by the way.
these. Oh, okay. Reinforcement. Yo, all this has is literally stick, a lighter, equals fire. Hello, I have a lighter and a bunch of stickers now, but why is it not lighting up?
Oh!
Hello.
Who's that?
I have no idea. Is this
It's Hedgehog.
hold on. What's currently in the hold on. Okay, I'm currently in the stream right now. This
Yo, there's a turtle.
but
I don't want to kill it.
Okay. Oh, turtles!
Turtle.
Oh yeah. I had another private because it was actually having issues earlier.
It's my fault. Yeah.
It's not your fault. What others make you guys try it again? Hold on a second. The thing we don't have that honestly, anyone I just joined in that's not aware that we're against the stream.
Oh, okay.
My fault.
Hello, hedgehog. Hello.
I think hedgehog has now gone.
Okay, bye bye, hedgehog.
Oh no.
Guys, it's literally
Okay.
pitch black. I can't see anything on my screen.
By the way, I've taken someone's meat and eaten it.
Okay, it's better than them maybe eating us. It's okay. It's that or get eaten by Mimi.
Wait. Oh, there's another monkey. Okay, let's start dark. I can't even see it. Oh, it's actually female, not a monkey. Okay, what I'm actually doing is I'll set up another. Oh, that's the talent. Cause I was gonna say if it's too dark, I can set up another torch, like lit up torch, but I guess we just sleep there. Save and then we're still gonna do. Yeah. By the way, I believe that meat right there was probably monkey meat too. No joke.
Ooh.
It is
You ate monkey meat.
no. What? Yeah, there's.
Mimi eats everything.
No. It's meat. And it's gonna. Okay. Apparently I don't like whatever meat that was there. I need to start like fighting something so that I can actually give you guys like a meat to actually eat those. Have I actually drink at all? No, I haven't actually drink at all though.
No, meat is gone.
I have some meat. I can cook some. Hold up.